4 noteworthy benefits of fruits in weight loss. Fruits are nature's blessings. Aside from being a rich source of vitamins and minerals, fruits can also help reduce your risk of heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and age-related functional decline. Fruits play a critical role in your fitness journey, making them the perfect go-to food to shed those excess pounds. Are you ready to reap the healthy benefits of fruits? Let's learn how they can help you reduce or maintain your weight. 1. Focusing on the fruit can help keep weight off. Rather than thinking about the food that you can't have on a diet, why not think about what you can have? Fortunately, fruit is one of those foods you can have. A study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics asked dieters who lost weight and were trying to maintain their weight to consume over 5 servings of fruit and vegetables a day. This also included walking 10,000 steps and monitoring their weight. The researchers found that the dieters maintained their weight they lost in 12 months. Further, the dieters were also able to significantly reduce even more weight. 2. Antioxidants will provide added health benefits. Fruits are some of the richest sources of antioxidants. A nutrition study revealed that consuming an 8-week high-fruit diet helped women shed weight and decrease their LDL or bad cholesterol levels and oxidative stress. Opt to eat a variety of fruits to reap their antioxidant benefits. Researchers have found that the potent antioxidant and anti-cancer activities in fruits and vegetables are mostly associated with polyphenols, the bioactive compounds in plants. According to the researchers, the polyphenols work hand in hand to set off a noticeable health benefit. 3. Fiber will help you feel full. Many fruits are excellent sources of fiber. Decades of research found that increasing your fiber intake or consuming a high-fiber diet can help you lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. This benefit is highlighted in a study by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. The researchers made participants who had colon cancer precursors follow a high-fiber, high-fruit and vegetable, low-fat diet. The participants lost an additional 2 to 5 pounds in 4 years, unlike those who did not introduce any dietary changes. 4. Fruits encourage you to take your time. Chewing fruit may help you reduce weight. Researchers put participants in a low-energy density diet which had low fat content and high levels of fresh fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and dried beans, according to their PubMed study. The researchers found that the participants ate more slowly and were less likely to eat until unpleasantly full. They also consumed fewer calories than those who consume a high-energy dense diet. Hopefully, these benefits will encourage you to make healthier choices not only to help you lose weight, but also to reduce your risk of diseases. Do you think you consume at least 2 cups of fruit a day? Why not push yourself to eat more fruits?